Let's talk about OXO Good Grips Tongs with Nylon Heads, 12-inch. Sturdy, stainless steel tongs with nylon heads. Nylon heads are heat resistant to 400 F205C and safe for nonstick cookware. Tongs lock closed for convenient storage. Available in 9 and 12 lengths. Non-stick friendly, sturdy and secure, for effortless turning. Heat resistant to 400 F. Material, stainless steel, nylon. I bought this just in case my good old OXO grip tongs should break. No signs of it happening anytime soon, though. Anyway, once you have gotten yourself used to using this while cooking, frying BB-ing, turning the beef patty or bacon, or just tossing a salad, I mean, this is so versatile that it is a must-have in my kitchen. After owning my first one for 10 years, and it is in a charmingly used, abused, but perfect working condition. The nylon tips really take a beating and withstand the hot barbecue or frying pan. Mine has been worn more by abrasion than heat. I give OXO Good Grips my warmest recommendations. As described. These tongs replace a set I had for years, so I know they will be excellent. Good quality, sturdy build.